Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to hide who you follow on Twitter. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're gonna open the Twitter application. Once you've opened, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you've tapped on it, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the settings and support. We're gonna have to tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see these two options, such as settings and privacy and help center. The one we're looking for is settings and privacy. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to the settings. And on here, we're gonna have to scroll down for a little bit and look for the privacy and safety. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred here. And on here, the setting that we're looking for is audience and tagging. This on the topmost of your activity on Twitter category. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you tap on it, you'll be transferred to this screen. And on here, you can manage what information you allow other people on Twitter to see. And right below that, there is an option saying protect your tweets, that only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So when you turn this on by tapping on the trigger right on the next or the right part of it, this will protect your account and make it private. And the people who don't follow you won't be able to see your tweets. Not just that, but also the followers that you have and the people you follow. Note that it only applies to the people who follow you, but the group of people who follows you will be able to access that. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.